how to bookmark shows and products in Whatnot. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to teach you easily to how to do so that you can find them later. So for that, we can open up the Whatnot application if you're on iPhone or Android, or you can even go to whatnot.com. After that, once you are here, you can just go over and browse or search for the live or the upcoming shows. You can use the search at the top in order to look out for your shows. You can just go over and type it in and hit enter, and you can look out for the shows or the live that may be coming up. And what we can do is we can basically look out for the option called bookmark. So let me just show you. And once you find that upcoming show, what you can do is you can look out for the bookmark icon, usually right below the share option. You can tap on save. That is one of the options available and you should be able to save it. If not, from here, once you search for your show, you can directly scroll down until you reach over to the all product section, and directly on each of the product you'll be finding a bookmark icon. You can tap on those in order to bookmark, and that will be saved and they will appear on your bookmarks or saved section. You may receive the reminders etc when the show goes live. And that's it. You can follow this method in order to view it up, and you can go to your account and look out for the option called bookmarks and go ahead and view it from that section. Go to view profile for that and look out for shows etc, and go ahead and view it. But that is it everybody. That's how you should be able to bookmark. You can follow out that method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.